Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in beauty products.
Today, we're diving into a must-have item for your makeup routine. The e.l.f. Halo Glow Soft Focus Setting Powder.
Now, before we get started, let me tell you why this is not just any setting powder. This, my friends, is the best setting powder with no flashback available in the market. What's flashback, you may ask?
Well, it's that dreaded white cast that can appear in photos when using certain powders.
But fear not, because with e.l.f. Halo Glow Soft Focus Setting Powder, you can say goodbye to flashback forever. So, what makes this setting powder so special?
Let's break it down.
First off, it's all about that flawless finish. This loose setting powder has a light and silky texture that leaves your skin shine-free on the surface with a natural luminosity from within. Infused with lab-created sapphire particles, the formula blurs imperfections and gives your complexion a smooth, soft focus look that's always selfie-ready.
But wait, there's more.
Here's a pro tip for you. Lightly dust the loose powder on bare skin and apply a layer of foundation on top. This will not only help with oil control but also provide a subtle glow under your foundation. With its lightweight feel, flawless finish, and ability to banish flashback, it's no wonder why the e.l.f. Halo Glow Soft Focus Setting Powder is a game-changer in the beauty world.
And there you have it, folks.
That concludes our review of the e.l.f. Halo Glow Soft Focus Setting Powder. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product critiques. Until next time, stay fabulous.